Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Joomla on localhost. For those who don't know how to set up localhost on your PC, I will give the link in the description box. Please do check that. After installing localhost on your PC, go to joomla.org and you need to download Joomla. Current version of Joomla is Joomla 3.9. The procedure will be same in the future versions of Joomla. For example, Joomla 4. You need to click on download Joomla. I am going to download the zip package. The size of the file is 13 MB, so it doesn't take much time. Once the file is downloaded, go to the location where you have downloaded this file and you need to extract it. Currently extracting is going on, and here is the extracted folder. Now what you need to do is you need to copy this folder, copy, and you need to open C drive. In C drive, click on XAMPP. Under XAMPP, you need to click on htdocs. Under htdocs, you need to paste this folder. After pasting the Joomla folder in htdocs, we need to rename this folder. You need to give any name of your choice. I am simply giving it as Joomla. After giving the name for your project, you need to open XAMPP and you need to make sure that both Apache and MySQL servers are running. And after that, we need to open new tab and you need to type localhost / your project name. I have given the project name as Joomla. If you have given different name, you need to type that and hit enter. And here is a Joomla setup. Before proceeding, we need to open phpMyAdmin on our local host and we need to create a database for our Joomla website. And this is how the phpMyAdmin looks. From the left side menu, you need to click on new and you need to give the name for your database. After giving the name for your database, don't change anything, simply click on create. After creating the database, if you want, you can create a user for your database. I always prefer having a separate user for the database. Click on privileges. Once you click on privileges, it will show you the users. If you want, you can select any one of the user or you can create new user. Click on add user account and give the username of your choice. I always give the username similar to the database. After giving the username, you need to select the local host. Under drop down, you need to select local. Now you can see that host name is localhost. And after that, you need to set the password. You need to retype the password again. After retyping the password for your user, you need to scroll down a little bit. Under global privileges, you need to select this option, check all. And after that, you need to scroll down and you need to click on go. Now the user has been created for your database. Click on user accounts. Under user accounts, you can see your newly created database user. After creating the user and the database, what you need to do is you need to switch back to the Joomla setup. And over here, you need to select the language. I always prefer English. Under main configuration, you need to give the name for your website. After giving the name, if you want, you can type in the description or leave blank. And after that, you need to enter the super user account details such as email ID, username, and you need to set the password for the administrator. After entering the super user account details, you need to click on next. Now you need to configure your newly created database with the Joomla website. Under database type, you need to select MySQLi. Since we have set the host name as localhost, I am going to leave that. And after that, we need to enter the database username. And after that, you need to enter the password. And you need to enter the database name. And after that, if you want, you can change the table prefix. And otherwise, you can leave this field as it is. And after that, you need to click on next. Now, under this final step, you have the option to install the sample data. If you want to develop a website from the scratch, it is preferable to select none. Since I would like to demonstrate you the sample Joomla website, I am going to install this sample data. After selecting the sample data, scroll down once. If there are any errors, it will be shown over here. Since we have configured the Joomla properly, it is not giving any error message. So I am going to click on install. Now it is installing Joomla on our local host. Now when you scroll down, here it will show you the administrative login details such as your email ID, username. Let's check the front end. Let's type localhost / folder name. Since we have given the folder name as Joomla, I am going to enter that. If you have given different name, you need to enter that folder name and hit enter. Once you click on enter, you will get this message again. Congratulations, Joomla is installed. Please remove installation folder. Click on that. You will get a message, installation folder removed. Now click on site. Now the front end will be shown. Here is a sample Joomla website with sample data installed. You can make lot of changes by installing themes and plugins and so on. This is the front end. If you want to view the back end, what you need to do is you need to type localhost / your folder name / administrator. Hit enter. Now here is a Joomla backend, or you can say administrator. Now over here you need to enter your username and the password which you have set during the Joomla configuration. After entering the super user details, you need to click on login. This is how the Joomla administrator or the backend looks. From here you can create menus and you can create new articles and you can install plugins. So that's it guys. In this way you can install Joomla on your local host. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.